When we were children, we were taught a lot of things by family, society, and friends, but one of the things that we were not taught is the fact that there are real demons in this world, and we were not taught or equipped on how to really deal with them. The only thing that we are told is to go to church and pray, and meditate and pray, and speak in tongues and pray. And I'm not diminishing that. However, there are times where you are going to have to deal with it on your own. And there are some people that are so wrapped up in religion that the minute they have a problem, they can't handle it themselves. They're on the phone calling sister, brother, pastor, so-and-so. And there's going to be a time where they can't get sister so-and-so on the phone. They can't get brother so-and-so on the phone. They can't get pastor so-and-so and on the phone. And they're going to be stuck having to try to deal with that themselves. And they are not spiritually equipped to handle it. Don't get so wrapped up into leaning on people and forgetting the fact that you worship a living God who is omnipresent and omniscient, which means he knows everything, he sees everything, and he is everywhere. So if you believe that in your heart, why every single time there's a problem, you picking up the phone calling somebody who's less than God? You should be able to be equipped to handle it. You know what? I believe that you should treat demons like you do when you go sports fishing. If you ever seen sports fishermen, they'll catch a fish, they'll identify it, may take a picture or two, and they throw it back in the water. That's what you need to do with your demons. You need to catch them, identify them, and release them. And did I say it was going to be easy? No. And you've got to really understand that you are never, ever by yourself if you profess to believe in a true and living God. You shouldn't feel bad at all. Say, Lord, let's do this. Let's do this.